first ride of 2014 and we're going to Wales. Joining me on the ride will be Julian on his Yamaha, his brother Steve riding his Pan-European, James, Steve's son, he'll also be on his Yamaha, and Jonathan riding the Hayabusa. Not to mention Colin on his KTM. We'll also be meeting up in the Brecon Beacons with Sean on his Triumph Bonneville, and my dad Barry will be guiding us over the Horseshoe Pass on his Honda DeVille. Day one will see us leaving St Ives for Betws y Coed, with a couple of stops en route and meeting my father in Shrewsbury.
So I had to be rammed in.
As usual, we'll all meet up at Colin's and get some lovely bacon butties off Judy.
Yeah, 300 quid. When to get it, got 9 points on his licence, so it's not me.
James is the second to last to arrive, which gives us time for a quick brew and wait for Jonathan, the straggler. And finally he arrives, with every excuse under the sun.
2,000. No, thank you.
What, no sugar?
Oh, yes.
MOT day before yesterday.
Is it?
MOT yesterday. 2 discs.
10 o'clock and we're ready to set off. Our first stop is the Catthorpe interchange. The tea room at Manor Farm is our first pit stop. Now finished with the rigours of the A14, we have a chance to admire each other's bikes. We also get a chance to educate James in some true biking culture.
Biking holiday and he's having a green tea.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
We regroup to set down the A5, to Holly's Diner for our next stop, and then on to Shrewsbury to meet my dad. Having taken us on to the Horseshoe Pass, we stop at the Ponderosa, a well-known biker's haunt.
Looks like it's been extended.
The Ponderosa Cafe sees thousands of motorcyclists a year, but as we came at the beginning of the season, there was only a few. Bikes of all different shapes and sizes from all over the country. The final part of the leg is to finish the Horseshoe Pass and then follow my dad into Betws y Coed. Arriving in Betws y Coed, we were given a true Welsh welcome. That's enough of that. Now a quick bite to eat in the Royal Oak.
Yeah, about 135, 140.
Ready for the video?
You'll massage this into the main footage, will you?
Yeah.
With night 1 done, it's ready for an early start for day 2. The Vagabond bunkhouse provided us with a colourful place to stay for the night, and not a bad breakfast in the morning.
Yeah, why not?
The first part of day 2 is to head over the Snowdonia mountain range to Dolgellau. As we met in Dolgellau, the talk was about the weather and the roads. It has to be some of the most fantastic riding I have ever done. And it was difficult to remove the smiles off anyone's face.
He's scratched the side up and everything. He's got it. Yeah, well pissed off. Fucking fell off his seat, didn't it?
They've done it so many times, haven't they?
Yeah.
You come down here and you can see the next 3 bends.
Yeah, exactly. I was on the other side of the road, yeah.
The next leg will have us leaving Dolgellau and heading towards Llandidloes, and probably a fuel stop. last part of the leg was to arrive at our digs in Llandovery. The level crossing our digs for the night, we had a chance for a brew while waiting for Sean, our guide round the Black Mountains.
What's up?
A quick scout round the area to see where we'd park the bikes for the night. A quick check of our digs, a 6-bunk room, and we'd wait for Sean, my old RAF buddy, who's going to take us round the Black Mountains. And the moment we've all been waiting for, the start of the Black Mountain Loop. A 55-mile loop round the Brecon Beacons, starting and finishing in Llandovery. Quick stop to help out another motorcyclist. It turned out to be only a small accident. A sprained ankle. She was fine, so we carried on.
Look, I've told you about your speed before on them times.
She's got more air than you have.
No, that would be hard, wouldn't it?
Okay. This man's going to spend a lot of money in here.
Day 2 over, day 3 had us setting home. So we stopped off in Abergavenny at a motorcycle meet.
Where it finishes, it's like a line all the way round, so you look like you're looking through your wrong glasses.
The Black Mountain Loop was worth the wait and worth the planning. It was an excellent ride, but without a doubt, the best part of the ride was the Snowdonia mountains. Going from Betws y Coed to Llandovery, we passed through some of the most beautiful Welsh countryside and the best roads I've ever ridden on. And only a few casualties en route. Jonathan bashed his helmet around a little bit. Steve, bless him, started to get very, very confused. And 70 miles from home, my exhaust broke.